Hello students, this is Amit Nagpal, your maths teacher. As you know, during holidays we have done exercise 3.6, even we have done chapter 1st, chapter 2nd. Now it's time to do exercise 3.7. So let's start exercise 3.7. Before starting this exercise, students, I want to tell you about basically this exercise is based on HCF and LCM. How whenever we have to find HCF and when we have to find LCM, there are two situations. First, I want to tell you about HCF. We have to find HCF when maximum, largest, greatest, these types of words you will see in the problem. And whenever you see the words like smallest, least, lowest, on that time we have to find LCM. There is one more situation whenever we have to find LCM, that is when two or three things starts together at the same time from the same place, and we have to find the repetition of their position again on the same space from there where they are starting. So in this situation we need to find LCM. These are the two main situations when we have to find LCM. The one situation is smallest, least, lowest, these type of words, and the two or three things starting at the same time from the same position. In this situation we have to find LCM. So now let's start with the problems. Exercise 3.7, and the chapter name is Playing with Numbers. Your first problem of 3.7 is Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Students, so the word here that we have to highlight, that is maximum word, and I already told you that on the maximum word we have to find HCF. So without wasting our time we have to find HCF, and HCF of two numbers 75 and 69. For finding HCF we are using prime factorization method. First we are doing prime factorization of 75, and then we have to do the prime factorization of 69. You can see the common digit in these two prime factorizations, that is 3. So the maximum value of weight is 3 kg, and this is our answer. Hope you can understand it. If you don't understand, there is one more problem. So let's start with the second problem. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. You can see the word same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance? Now you can see the word minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Here we need to find minimum distance. As I already told you that on these type of words like minimum, lowest, least, we need to find LCM. So we are finding LCM here, and our result is 6930. Our result is 6930 centimeter. This is our answer, and this is called the minimum distance. Now next the problem number. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. You can see the word longest. So we need to find HCF. I hope you can do it. So let's start with the problem number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. As you can see, there is a word smallest. So we need to find LCM. And one more thing, whenever we need to solve the problems related to divisibility, on that time we always find LCM. So let's start with the LCM. You can see the LCM is coming 24, but the problem is in the question they want 3-digit number, but we have only 2-digit number, that is 24. So we need to multiply 24 with the 5 so that we can get a 3-digit number, that is also a lowest 3-digit number, which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12, and that is 120. So our answer is 120. In the next problem, determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Students, you can see the word greatest, but there is one more thing. We have to find divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Because the divisibility of 3 numbers, we need to find LCM. So again we have to find LCM because the problem is related to divisibility. So we find LCM 8, 10 and 12, and the answer is 120 centimeter. But this is not the greatest 3-digit number. So we repeat the table of 120 till 8. 128 ja 960 centimeter. So this is the greatest number of 3-digit that is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? So students, as I already told you in the beginning of my clip, that whenever 3 things or 2 things starting with together at the same time, in that situation we need to find LCM. So in this case we have the situation that 3 lights, those are changing simultaneously at 7 am together. We need to find the time whenever they will repeat this process of glowing together. So first we find LCM of 48, 72 and 108, and you can see LCM is coming 432 second, but we have to convert this 432 second in minute. For converting in minute, we will divide it by 60, and by dividing we get 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So after 7 minutes and 12 seconds, all 3 lights will glow together, and then on that time will be 7 hours, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So students, in today's work we have done 6 problems related to 3.7. In our next clip we will solve next problems and we will finish this exercise. Thank you, and please keep in touch. If you have problem, you can ask me on my number or you can ask from coordinator ma'am. Thank you. Goodbye.